If you've followed me long enough, you know that DolarApp is already one of my favorite ways to move money around inside Mexico. Not only to pay other people's claves here in Mexico, but also as a way to bring your dollars into Mexico for a minimal fee and a very fair exchange rate. Today, DolarApp added a new feature that makes them even better than they were before. You can now pay your utility bills directly inside DolarApp. This is game changing. No more going to OXXO and fighting with the clerk. No more going downtown and having to go to the exact CFE office, that's the electricity company here in Mexico, and waiting in a long line to pay at their tellers. You can just actually do it now through the app from anywhere in the world. Let me show you how it works. So, first thing you got to do is make sure you're on the latest version of the app. This update just came out today, so if you don't have this feature yet, go update the app in the App Store and then reopen the app. So we'll go down here to the bottom, click on Pay. Right here you can see the Services section, and below that it says Pay a Bill. That is new as of today. So let's go ahead and tap on that. Here it will show you your bills. Now, I already added my CFE bill into here, but let's walk through how you add a new bill. It happens that I need to pay my TelMex internet bill. So I'm going to click at the bottom there, Add a New Bill. Explore services. So you can see here I can pick energy, water, gas, internet, phone, education, insurance, other. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and do what I came here to do, which is pay my phone bill. So I'll click on, sorry, pay my internet bill. I'm going to search Telmex. There it is. So right here, how do I get my bill information into DolarApp? Well, I can either introduce manually, which is basically put in my bill number or the number of my account, whatever I have, or I can scan the barcode at the bottom of my receipt. In this case, I'm just going to introduce manually because I know the number, so I'm just going to copy and paste the number on my Telmex. There it is. Click Next. And what's cool here is not only did that sort of validate my account, but it also shows how much I owe. So instead of just saying, yeah, I'm going to pay my bill, hope this was the amount, this pulled from Telmex the amount of my bill. So right here you can see that I owe 349 pesos. I certainly do. That's exactly what I pay every month. Right there at the bottom, I will click Review Payment. So it's confirming there the number of bills, one bill. Right now, the US dollar has fallen. We're all kind of sad about that to 18.98, but that's all right. That's what it is. And then the fee, there's no fee on this. Again, incredible. OXXO charges, I think, 18 pesos now for their fee. Confirm and pay bill. Enter my passcode. There it is. And there's the confirmation. I have the transaction ID. I have the number that I paid, the amount that I sent, and it says they're pending. So go ahead and close out of that. And what's cool about this is DolarApp remembers your bills and will alert you when you have a new bill. So you can just go right in and pay it. So right now, just to test that I paid that Telmex, I'm going to go ahead and tap on that. It shows that pending payment still sitting there. I can tap the top three dots. I can enable automatic payments. Game changer in Mexico. Pay it automatically like in the US, please. I can remove this from my bill and I can edit the nickname. So I'm just going to leave it like that. And the next time I get a bill, DolarApp's going to notify me and tell me that my bill is due. This is a fantastic feature. Paying utility bills is one of the biggest pain in the butt here in Mexico because nothing's automatic. The bill sometimes comes to your door, sometimes it doesn't, but you still have to pay it. So it's your job to remember to go search the utility company and figure it out and make it happen. So the fact that they're adding this feature into DolarApp just really reinforces in my mind that they're making waves. They're doing the right thing. They're adding the features that are the major pain points of being an expat in Mexico. What else could I pay? Add a new bill? Energy. I already added my CFE. I can pay my water bill. Here in Mexico, you're paying Aguakan. Again, right here, you can scan your QR code or you can put in your utility number, your account number. One thing I checked in here that unfortunately I can't do, but I checked in education to see if my son's school was in here, and it's not, but that would be nice. The beginning of every month, I have to go to his school and I have to wait in a line with at least 15 other people the first few days of the month, and it takes me about an hour to pay his tuition. So if I could just pay that through here from my couch while I'm holding my baby, that would be an incredible feature for me. You can pay insurance, and then you click other. There's literally hundreds of bills in here that you can pay now through DolarApp. So if you're like me and you're living in Mexico and you don't have a Mexican bank account and have no interest in getting one, this makes your life so much easier because now not only do you not have to have a Mexican bank account to pay these bills, now you can pay them from your couch. You don't even have to go to the OXXO or to wherever you're going to pay these with your American cards. You can now transfer money into DolarApp and pay your bills from the comfort of wherever you happen to be sitting. I think as an expat in Mexico, this is an absolute game changer, especially if you're traveling home. And like I was just back in the US and my CFE bill came while I was gone. Couldn't pay it from the US. Now I can just pay it right here inside DolarApp no matter where I'm at in the world. If you're an expat in Mexico, I'm sure this is also going to blow your mind. So please like, share, and subscribe to this video for more content like this. See you in the next one.